So we know that if you don't pay, you can't use Grok to generate your images and your videos. So I want to show you an app where you can use to generate your long form videos for free. And this app, you can use it for your video generation. It is unlimited and is totally free. So watch this video. I use this app to generate this video for free.
The son of Chief Okongo arrives from America next week.
Marry him. You didn't even ask me.
You dare shame this throne?
For a hunter, he has something your wealth can't buy.
You can generate your images, you can generate your videos and do your dialogue on this app totally free, and it is unlimited. You can generate as many videos as possible in one day. So let's go. Let me show you how to generate long form videos using this app. So the first thing you do is you go to your Play Store, download Quen AI. Using this app, you generate your videos free of charge without watermark. So let's go. The first thing you do is you go back to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT your prompt. So I gave ChatGPT a prompt. I told ChatGPT to give me a dialogue story about a king whose daughter is in love with a poor hunter, and the king wants her to marry a very rich man. So this is my story that I gave ChatGPT to generate the prompt, the dialogue prompt, and the image prompt for me. So ChatGPT generated two images. Sorry, ChatGPT generated two images for me, this and this image. So I'm going to use these images I'm going to copy the image that ChatGPT has generated for me. So I'm going to take this image to Grok. I'm going to click on this and download the images and take it to Quen AI to generate my video. So Quen AI generates 5 seconds video. So I'm going to generate these videos in batches. So let's go to Quen AI. So let me copy my prompts. So this is my first prompt of the dialogue between the king and his daughter. So I'm going to copy it like so. So this is my Quen AI. So it will tell me to continue. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. I'll go back and click on this plus sign. I'll click on create video. I'm using this video for YouTube, so I'll leave it at 16:9. I'll click on upload files. Okay, I'll paste my prompts that ChatGPT generated for me. So this is where you do the trick. I'm going to adjust the prompt. So I'm going to say, let the king say. So I'm going to remove some things that will make the place because it's 5 seconds. So if it's too long, the 5 seconds might not be enough. So I'll say, let the king say. So this is it. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to adjust the prompt so that it will fit in very well, and the dialogue will be very interesting. Keep 16:9. So our video is being generated. Quen AI generates video very fast. Quen AI has generated our video. So let's play the video and see what we have. So this is it. Wow. Okay, we've generated our first video. So let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt and the second image, and generate the second part of this video. After generating some videos and you discover that the app is getting slower, so just allow it for some time, then come back and continue your video generation. It will be faster for you. So let's generate another scene. So this is my ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy out another dialogue prompt. It is another dialogue prompt I'm going to copy. Go back to my Quen AI. So I'll paste my prompt. This is I'm going to click on the plus sign again, import my second image. Okay, plus sign again and click on create video. So I'll click on send. So after the second scene is generated, I will go over to CapCut and merge all my scenes together and form a long form video.
You dare shame this throne?
For a hunter, he has something your wealth can't buy.
After generating all your videos, so go over to CapCut, click on this plus sign, add new video, tap on all the videos you created and click on add. So after adding all the videos you've created, you now export these videos to and post on any of your social media handle. This is the best way to create your long form video if you don't have Grok AI. This is the best way to create your long form video if you don't have Super Grok. After importing all your videos, you click on add text. You can add your logo. After importing all your videos, so you click on export. You export this video and post on all your social media. This is the easiest way to create your long form video using Coin AI for free. Can you please click the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comment section the AI video you want me to create for you. See you in my next one. Bye.